Hello everyone, what about this one? It is the latest pocket camera from DJI Pocket 3. So what I want to share is about this DJI Pocket 3 application in live broadcast. First of all, compare DJI Pocket 3 with the second generation. What additional function does it have? It has an additional USB webcam output. In other words, you connect this USB-C webcam, then connect to this computer. You can do live broadcasts directly on Google Meet. Let me actually do it once and show it to you. Then when connecting to your computer, look, there will be a webcam on its back. You press confirm. In this way. At this time you will turn into a webcam screen. Then I might just open one. For example, Google Meet. Try this. You can catch it just by looking at it. Is there any? Look, this picture of mine comes from this DJI Pocket 3. Then someone asked, when I was doing this webcam mode, it doesn't even know face recognition. Is allowed. Yes. You can pull it off. Then open this. Is there anything next? Let's click 2 more times. Here. Oh, he started it. Look, my current person is here. Then my avatar moved around. Move around. He will move. The gimbal will also move without you. So, when it changes to webcam mode, there is still this function of tracking people. Then let's introduce this UVC webcam. Quite special. What we see now is that this is horizontal. Good. Let's see what happens with the straight one. Open it when it is exported. Mode. It's a straight webcam. Here. Okay. Then let's open the software and take a look. Where is it here? If you look at it, it also has resolution here. You see it provides vertical resolution. Also has horizontal resolution. If you open the horizontal resolution, he just fills in the black edges left and right. That's how he is. Fill in black borders left and right. And then what else? He provides this direct resolution. This direct resolution is way. What about this image? To adjust it to straight, it renders the correct image. Okay. We can use OBS to test it. Open it with OBS. Let's go capture this straight image. Good to catch. Go get this straight one. You should be able to catch this one. Vertical Full HD. Go and catch it. So you see there is no problem with him. It can be caught. So let's turn it into horizontal mode. Now, what if we turn it into a horizontal format? Then let's take a look. Will its direct resolution still exist? Let's take a look at MCAP first. Look. It still has. But what will happen? Hey, that's weird. Let's open this again. Open OBS and take a look. Look, I'm in horizontal position now. Then I deliberately grab the straight UVC. Let's take a look. Go get straight UVC. Vertical UVC, so you saw. He will become straight here. Then it looks like this. When your DJI Pocket 3 is horizontal, use your resolution to grasp horizontal ones. If it is tied into a straight position, then you go for the straight resolution. This way, there will be no errors. This DJI Pocket 3, in addition to the output of the USB-C webcam just mentioned, it itself can also be live streamed to this YouTube or Facebook. But I actually tested. This Facebook Live YouTube Live. It's not good to face these platforms directly with this machine. There is currently a problem with his Facebook Live broadcast. Unable to connect. Second YouTube Live broadcast. I've been testing for a long time and still can't get out. He will always become a scheduled live broadcast. Put some options for live streaming in the YouTube backend. Cut them all. It's not use either. So my conclusion is, you want to use this to live broadcast directly to YouTube or Facebook. Please don't use its built-in FB or YouTube. Connect to this live broadcast. We'll still use a TMP. But this is a TMP method. It's not that I want everyone to toss it. Say to copy a TMP and streaming key. This is too much trouble. It's very convenient for me to introduce another one called Restream IO. This is what Restream looks like. That is to say, this is how we usually look like. It's DJI Pocket 3. Stream directly to this YouTube platform. Then let's not do this now. This DJI Pocket 3 live broadcast to this intermediate platform. This intermediate platform just face this YouTube and Facebook like this. What are the keys and the TMP here? Just post it to this Pocket. This is very convenient because this platform is very professional and it's currently free. You want to make this DJI Pocket 3. The settings for this live broadcast. You can use this Android phone or iPhone. Or iPad is fine. Download this app of this DJI. Then connect first. Join well. This is my video. You choose this side. There is a small word here called the live broadcast symbol. Such a live broadcast. Just press it. You just said that. Join to Facebook Live directly. For example, if you watch my Facebook live broadcast now, he currently does not support this Facebook. Then you use YouTube, although he can. This is connected to this YouTube account. But after you have been struggling for a long time, I found out where I couldn't broadcast it live. Okay, then we will use a TMP method. We will live broadcast here. You choose your network first. This network is the router you have at home, or a router that can access the internet. If you pick it up outdoors, what router can you use to access the internet? You can share it using your phone's hotspot. Just share the hotspot without Wi-Fi. Share it like this. Then you go and grab the Wi-Fi of this phone. Then I'm at home now. I will use my home router to connect first. Of course, you have to enter the password. That is, you have to enter the password like this. And then what happens after it's over? Let's choose the resolution first. We can choose HD or Full HD. No problem. Then what do you want to post the TMP? Okay, you go to the computer. Just call Restream.io. Then log into the Restream.io screen. Then how do you get here? You combine your YouTube or a Facebook account. Can log in here and play like this. My DJI Pocket 3. I will play this platform later. This platform is Restream.io. This Restream. Go play this YouTube and Facebook again. It's the same time. It can do to live broadcasts. It's free. So I'll edit first. You'll press this OBS first. We first need to know the streaming key of the platform. Wait and copy it to G app. That's it. Okay. So what should we build on this platform? Okay, let's connect to YouTube first. Just log in. Okay, let's add another one. Facebook. Then let's write this. Connect to Facebook profile. Profile is free, but page and group are charged. I have linked Facebook and YouTube now. Then let's wait a moment to put these two strings of role and streaming key. Paste it on your iPad. How to paste it? Very simple. You can copy it to email and send it to iPad. Then paste it to G app. Write a letter to yourself. Then test. Then copy the one just now. Post to email. Paste it and then what? Remember when we pasted, it's clicked behind this live. Press slash again. Just press slash here. Slash here. Then copy it again. Go directly behind the slash. Paste it after the slash. Okay, then it will look like this. Just transfer it to your iPad. Okay, at this time, your iPad will receive your email. Just open it. Then you give it to this whole bunch. Copy it. Copy it. Then go to the DJI app. Just stick it on. Just stick it here. Okay, what about us now? Just click to start live broadcast. Live broadcast started. It's live. You've seen the live broadcast. Then I'll see the computer again. Do you see if there is a live video? Right. Then let's take a look. This Facebook Live and YouTube Live. Do you have everything? Let's watch Facebook Live first. Did you see it? Right. Then watch the YouTube live broadcast. Yes, at the same time. Just Facebook Live and YouTube Live. In this way. Then if you don't want to live broadcast, it's very simple. Just press stop like this. This is aborted. Then turn it off. Then turn off Restream.io first. Just pasted it. Okay. Then if I want to do a live broadcast next time, I don't need to pass any TMP and streaming keys anymore. Nothing is needed because it's already recorded here. So let's demonstrate it to you again. This is our second live broadcast now. No need to bother anymore. Just open. Are you ready? Press live broadcast by TMP. Fortunately, this was posted just now. So I just press live. Just press live broadcast and that will be fine. Then this time, live broadcast to your Facebook and YouTube. Let's watch it again. Is it like this? Facebook Live. Let's take a look at this YouTube. His way. His way. Oh, yes. Right, so let's not use that DJI app directly now. Go face YouTube or Facebook. We have to face this restream.io. Go play this YouTube and Facebook again. So if we talk about this DJI Pocket 3, what should I do if it wants to connect to this video switcher? For example, this is a video guide. He just said that he can do it at the same time. He had a lot of HDMI signals coming in. You can press it with your fingers. Switch image. Easy to switch. No need to switch with OBS. It is very convenient to use this physical button to switch. You have to find a way to put your DJI Pocket 3. Convert to HDMI. How to turn it? I introduced a relatively simple method to transfer. One is that you put DJI Pocket 3 USB cable pull out. Then our device is to input USB. Convert to HDMI. HDMI, then connect to this. The video guide came out. Okay, this is the first one. Look at DJI Pocket 3. Successfully connected to ATEM Mini Pro. You see it's very smooth. The other one is the same. It is also the concept of UVC to HDMI. It's this red box. What are the benefits of this red box? Because in addition to what I just said, USB webcam comes in outside. It converts the first function of HDMI. In addition, it also has this USB webcam bypass. What else? Live broadcast on iOS. You can also record videos over here. It's all fine. DJI Pocket 3 connected to ATEM Mini Pro. DJI Pocket 3's UVC turns into HDMI. Connect video switcher and display on TV. You can also connect this Windows. Use UVC bypass to come out. Using OBS or video conferencing software. The most important is, it can also do live broadcast on iOS. It can also do layers, for example, adding a new lens for a mobile phone, switch like this. You can also make layers. Friends who are interested can watch my previous video. There is a detailed introduction to this app. We just talked about the methods, just converted through UVC to HDMI. UVC to converter. Then convert to HDMI. Then connect it to video switcher. Or use this UVC to connect this box to HDMI. Then connect it to the video switcher. In addition to the UVC to HDMI conversion, just now. Is there any other way? Of course there is. Because we just talked about, there are two other types Pocket 3. This physical output. One is UVC coming out. The other one is wireless or TMB. We can all use this wireless or TMB. Convert to HDMI. Did you remember our string of keys just now? We posted the restream.io of that computer, that platform. Hit this DJI Pocket 3 to this restream. This is a live broadcast from an external network. Then we don't want to do live broadcast on internet. We will do internet live broadcast. Use this box, a TMP to HDMI converter. Just put DJI Pocket 3. Live broadcast to this box, internet box. Then the box is converted into HDMI and connected. Such a purpose. You can connect this broadcaster. It's the HDMI in this box. Then you can connect to the HDMI input channel here. It's time to switch. DJI Pocket 3 wireless way. Connect to TV via HDMI. This DJI Pocket 3. Connect this ATEM Mini Pro video switcher. During video switching, such applications. Let's summarize it again. This DJI Pocket 3. There are also two physical properties. It can be directly related to our live broadcast. One is UVC webcam output. You can connect it directly to the computer. Then, what can you do through Google Meet? Or OBS can do live broadcast directly on this computer. Another one. It is the output of a TMP. You can use GAPP. Then there is Facebook live broadcast on the official website. Live with YouTube. But when I actually tested these two, they didn't work because there will be problems with direct live broadcast. It will be very frustrating. Yes. So I will introduce using restream.io. You only need to do it once. At the same time, you can simultaneous live streaming on YouTube or Facebook. Then I can use this method. I can leave broadcast to this box. This box will convert it to this HDMI. What do you need to do when converting it to HDMI? Because some people leave broadcast and need to switch to video. Then you can do this. Connect to video switcher. Application for video switching. This is the so-called DJI Pocket 3. Convert to HDMI method.